Okay, we are kind of live. Is the music too loud? It's loud for me. Yeah, let's reduce it a bit. I'll reduce it for me as well. Cool. Is anybody here? Let's see. But the internet is taking too long to load this chat. Oh shit, I can't even. I am connected to a wrong Wi-Fi, and I think if I change it now, okay, pop out the chat. Guys, am I live? Yes, I think I'm live. Okay, cool. So who is here? Hind. Hey Hind, code with Yugi. Hello, happy life. Hello man. Cool. Okay, perfect. So yeah, we have a couple of people today in this stream. I'm just going to explore a couple of image gen models. I have been playing with ChatGPT 4o latest image model, and I'm like blown away with the quality it is producing. If anybody who is following me on Instagram, I posted a series of like stories of my images which I have captured in the last year, and it has done an amazing job. Like, this is one of those model where I feel like now really the designer job is in danger, because the things it can do, nobody can do that. And that's what we are going to ask it here. So let's say like this is an image of me. I'll say, hey, can you make this image as Ghibli style anime? So this is my image. I just want to convert it into Ghibli style. ChatGPT image model, let's try that live. Yes, let's do that. And apart from that, I also want to try another model which I will be loading. First I have to like find it, which one it is. Here. It's called Revive or Revive. Let me check it. Yeah, meanwhile the ChatGPT is doing its thing. So yeah, if anybody who knows this guy, the Foffer, like if anybody is in X, I would highly recommend follow this guy. I think he works with Replicate, and he creates all these crazy animated images, and this is what I'm going to do with my images. I want to make like this Rick and Morty style posters for me, and also like South Park related like characters. So he's been doing crazy stuff with all these models, and I think he only mentioned about one other model. Wait, he posted about it a few days back, and it was as good as this new ChatGPT thing. So what he is writing here, this is technically really impressive, but at the same time I feel like GPT-4o's personality is coming through in its outputs. Seeing this in a few generations where it's impressive but not creative, bland. So yeah, this is what he said, but he posted about another model a couple of days before. Let's try that. Like, can you make me one? Yes, do send me on Discord, guys. I'll take a couple of images. I'm sorry, like I'll just pick randomly. If like there are more images, I might not be able to do everything, but if like initial first two, I will be happy to take. Hello, I read that the image model is for free users as well, but I'm not able to. Someone also mentioned me this, messaged me like in Twitter, they are saying it's for free, but it's not working. So another model is this one, which is Rev, which is doing amazing crazy stuff with text. Rev on Replicate. So I don't think Rev is here. No. So I don't know how these guys got access to Rev. I thought I can get that too, because this is much better than GPT in text. And see this one, this is all created with Rev. So the kind of quality this Rev model is creating, this one, I love this image. You see the text, how it's blended across this anime. I don't think GPT is there yet, but there's a crazy fight happening with this model plus the GPT's text gen model. I don't think it's available for free users. Yeah, I think like a couple of my friends also messaged me. Nobody is able to generate these images like with the same model in free version. So this is me in Ghibli. This is the original photo. I just created this. One thing which is noticeable, like it's adding this good vibes, good times, but it is the text on the cap is Jack and Jones. Obviously, it's not very readable from here, but GPT is doing its own thing, like converting it to good times. And in the morning, I created another image. It created it as good vibes. So I don't know, something is happening here. Okay, I can ask another thing. Can you make the character slightly smiling and eyes looking like he is happy? Right now it looks like he's like shocked by looking at something. Wow, two responses are going on. We'll see which one works better. Leonardo AI is again, Leonardo AI is not, like I don't think they have trained their own model. They are using Stable Diffusion on the backend. The whole thing of Leonardo AI is they have written a whole Comfy UI, like a proper, what do you call that, a pipeline with Comfy UI. So you get better outputs, but the overall fundamental model they are still using SDX3, I think. And so that's the reason, like they are proper like a product, Leonardo, because they provide you a lot of tools to play with images. But if you think about like just the quality out of some image gen model, like what OpenAI has done, it's better. And Leonardo AI will start using their model now because, well, Leonardo's whole business is behind a product, image-based AI image gen with product. Hey, hi Varun, we missed you yesterday, man. Yeah, I also mentioned like why I couldn't do my streams before that. I was reading about edge computing today. Interesting. Voice is low. Is it? Is it good now? Is it better? Is it better? I think it's good. It's good now. Okay. Thanks for the feedback. This is tempting me to pay for GPT. Guys, I mean, talk to GPT. GPT is... I can't go out of this GPT ecosystem. GPT is making... like, I think the whole business model of GPT is to become like an Apple ecosystem. They are hooking you in. All their strategies are like adding memory, adding personalization, adding image gen, and making it so personalized that now coming out of it and using another model becomes like a big task. So I'm already hooked. GPT knows about me so much that it's very hard for me to start using any other model. And I have tried it. I have tried using Grok 3, I have tried using Claude, and I have tried using jumping to many other, what they say like the best models out there. But none of them has worked as good as GPT for me, specifically on like non-coding related tasks like thinking, creativity, and personalized queries. All of that is handled very well with GPT, and even their deep research. I'm doing a research on another app which I have to build, and I was doing it using OpenAI's, like I was doing it on all the four models. I did it in Perplexity, I did it in DeepSeek, I did in Grok 3, and I did it in ChatGPT. And I found out the result which GPT created were far better than all the other three using deep research. And GPT took like, I think 15 minutes to do whole research. It went into like hundreds of articles, extracted the data, and then summarized it in a very well formatted table. So yeah, in that case, I think ChatGPT or OpenAI is much better here. Blinkin, hey, welcome, man. I missed yesterday because I was out running errands, but I watched the VOD. Okay, thank you, Blinkin. Yeah, we missed you. Larry was here though. So Larry was filling up your seats. What's been happening with Midjourney, guys? Haven't heard anything about it lately. Midjourney is cooking. Midjourney is the OG right now. Like, it was the OG. I think now the competition is fierce. Midjourney was not that great at text, to be honest. And because I already pay for Midjourney, I have paid last month. I was working with Shivanshu on this AI film which he's making. So I thought like I'll also tinker around. And the kind of quality Midjourney creates, I don't get that kind of quality anywhere. But I haven't tested those kind of prompts yet on GPT-4o. Maybe it's the time right now. You guys give me any prompt which you want to test and we can do it live. This is the stream about like testing GPT-4o capabilities in images, what we can do with it. So which one I like? I like this one. I prefer this response. So this is better. Smiling, chilling. Wow, I like this. I was okay. Tomorrow I'll update my thumbnails with this, right? So maybe I can ask it. Okay. Make a YouTube thumbnail of this guy where the title is checking. Okay, not there. Chat GPT 4o image gen. Wow. And yeah, let's see what it can do with this prompt first. The memory thing was a game changer for yes. The memory thing is again next level. I mean, like, why there are people who are building MCPs now for memory. So any tool which you are using, you can connect with the MCP, and I believe memory is very important for these LLMs to make them more personalized. And right now the only limitation with GPT is there is a limit to the memory. So I think there will be apps coming up which will have infinite memories, because you do not need all the memory at all the time. What I'm thinking is, once you have an agentic flow, right? Let's say if I'm talking about my gym workouts, so it does not need to get my other project related data from the memory. It just need to get the gym related memory out and use that while when I'm prompting something, need to get that context from that gym related data which you have. And similarly, if I'm talking about my projects, get the memory about my projects. So that part could be agentic in these LLMs, which I don't know any one of them doing right now. Maybe the third party developers will be building such tools. OpenAI is the Apple of LLM models. Exactly. OpenAI is going with the same direction as Apple did in the beginning, like going in to hook you into the ecosystem. 4o image gen rolls out starting today to Plus Pro team and free users as a default image generator on GPT. This access coming soon to enterprise and education. Okay, I think they are also releasing it out gradually. So maybe the people who are facing issues on the free versions, maybe they are not part of this rollouts yet. Could be the reason, what I can think of. I talk to GPT every day. The memory gets full though, and I have to remove some of it. I'm using the free version. Yeah, that's the thing. I was using GPT's. So initially I had no idea that there is a limit to the memory. So I was telling it, hey, store all the things about my gym workouts as a memory. And it was filling it up. And after 30 days, I got a message, hey, your memory is full. Then one day I just sat down and removed all my gym logs because those were unnecessary and compared to the main thing which I was doing with GPT. So then I came to this realization, okay, maybe I need a different app for my gym workouts memories, and that should handle just my gym workouts. GPT is not really good for that. Actually, Photo AI is great. Okay, I don't really know which it uses. Make a realistic photography of leaves in sunrise and their shadows in the middle of the jungle. Yeah, I mean, Shubham, this is this kind of prompt, it will, I can already imagine what it will produce. Give me something very crazy, like which is kind of like, okay, we are shocked to know how this image will look like. It should not be like nature looking like this, because we all know like AI can generate those crazy images. Something crazy, something creative, which we all want to be like, okay, let's see how it looks like that. So give me something crazy prompt. Also, Discord's latest update made some slight UI changes and added 2 new themes. Oh, really? Nice to know. We'll check it out. Happy Life, make an anime version of yourself where you are holding a katana sword. Now, this is something I want to check. Hint, why don't other LLMs like Gemini and DeepSeek have a memory feature yet? It feels like an obvious addition. Yeah, I mean, Gemini will not add it. Gemini's UI is shit because their whole proposition of that product is either integrating it into their existing tools or selling the API to developers. I don't think they want to be the ChatGPT of LLMs. They have a completely different business for LLMs. And similarly, what other? DeepSeek. DeepSeek is also not like I don't think DeepSeek is targeting. So I don't think anybody is targeting except for Claude. Claude is doing some crazy stuff, and Claude is trying to be Apple in a way where Claude releases features so late. I think the web search feature, which released 2 weeks back in Claude, compared to other LLMs had it for like months. So yeah, Claude is doing its own research and trying to come up with the best UX and then releasing these old features. So they both are fighting, like OpenAI, ChatGPT and Claude. Apart from that, others are like even Grok. I don't feel like they are as good as these two models at this point. Blinken, speaking of memory, I found a video about a memory bank GitHub that I started using. I had a file in my cursor rules, and when I start a coding session, it will go through the memory bank. It's nice. Oh, really? Share the link, Blinken, in the Discord if possible. Yeah, let's do this. So this is my thumbnail for okay, let's do it. Change it today. Save image. Let's change it today. Live today. Yeah, we'll change our thumbnail. Let's go to our live. Edit. Live today. File is bigger than 2 MB. What? Why is this file bigger than 2 MB? Give me a sec, guys. This file is 3.3 MB. Okay, compress. Convert this image into a JPEG of large size, or maybe actual size. Convert. Now let's change this. I think the dimensions are not correct. Maybe, but if we stretch it, it will crop up. Yeah, let's keep it like this only for now. It's fine. So the thumbnail dimensions are a little bit not in the right ratio. So if talking about ratio, let's see if it can make the ratio. What is the ratios of okay, what is the YouTube thumbnail ratio? Because ratio is important, size is not. 16:9. So this is standard ratio. Can you make the thumbnail in aspect ratio 16:9 and make the text wow with different font and contrast color? Let's see. What else? Shubham is saying make a dragon who is going inside a computer and explosion is happening and Iron Man is coming out and the Batman is sitting watching. We asked for crazy, Shubham went crazy. Okay, after this we'll check the katana thing first, and after that Shubham will do this one. A psychedelic disco party in a zero gravity jungle where neon colored elephants with disco ball trunks dance with roller skating octopuses wearing bell bottom pants. This is crazy. This is crazy. I want to see this. And funky beats. Claude is the Samsung. Yeah, I think the fight is fierce at this point, and we'll see which one, who will win. The first time I use it, it tells to initialize the memory bank to create the MD file. Nice, Blinken. I want to see this repo. Please share it with me. This would be interesting. Maybe Gemini is letting OpenAI do its job. They aren't interfering. Yeah, I think so. Oh, by the way, today like Gemini 2.5 Pro released, and people are going crazy about it as well. I thought today we will test it out, but then I thought, okay, image is much better to test compared to that. 9:50. Let's do this session for 40 minutes. The thing is, it's taking too long, these image gens. Meanwhile, I'll just open another model here. We can ask two things at a time, right? Make any version of it where you're holding a katana sword. Okay. I'll give it the same image, or maybe the other one. I have to find some images first. This one. Okay, let's give this one. Make an anime version of this person where he is holding a katana sword. Let's see. This is slow. This is very slow compared to other models. They generate like 4 images at a time and they are much faster, but I think this model is very slow. The output was good though. Hint, code with Yugi. Divyanshu sits on a mountain peak playing his guitar while animals listen. This is good. This is good. Maybe I'll ask. See. Something is weird about this. So it has created the, but it has removed the side, like cropped it. It's looking so bad. But yeah, I mean, this, guys, this is so crazy, right? You don't need any thumbnail maker now. Such cozy, amazing thumbnails can be created. I like this kind of theme for my channel. So yeah, next time I'm just using ChatGPT to create all my thumbnails. So anime version is out, generating. Meanwhile, what was our next query? I think Shubham gave something. Make a dragon. This one. Make a dragon who is going inside a computer. Make an image of. Yes, let's see. Meanwhile, we can ask another one. So good thing is you can open multiple tabs and start talking to it on different channels. So we'll take another one. I like this one as well, Shubham's model. A psychedelic. Make an image of generating. So this is me, Katana. To be honest, I don't like this that much. Maybe I can say make it cinematic in a battlefield with fire and dragons around. 16:9 image. Let's see. Oh, by the way, let's test it out with the Midjourney as well. I have Midjourney, so yeah, I'm already paying for it. So let's try it. /imagine will show you all the models, right? Same thing I'll tell to Midjourney. Oh shit, my subscription is paused. Okay, I don't want to repay. This is a good thing which happened. I don't want to renew my subscription. So it's creating this. Meanwhile, it's doing its thing. I think we have to start a new chat, because now this image is also being created in a Ghibli style. So maybe it's keeping the context of what we asked earlier and making the image on those same themes. See, this is also like a Ghibli style cartoonish theme. Okay, there is a lot of chat happening, which we have missed here. I like this one. Divyanshu sits on a mountain peak and guitar. I'll ask this one after this. Oh yeah, I have another one which I'll do now. Wait, it's a make a comic strip image of characters named Israr, Shubham, and Varun, and Happy Life. All are talking about the live YouTube video they are watching of Div. Make it funny. Let's see this one. I mean, you asked crazy. Now what's your best bet, Google or OpenAI? Still with Google. I'm still with Google though also. Like there is no one else coming close to Google, guys. It's just that Google will be best on LLM, but there will be other as well. But the thing is, UX is also very important. Like the way with how ChatGPT is running, Google will always play the catch-up game with the UX and the features. Compared to if their model gets better, so will the others will get better as well. It's not like they will be sitting while Google just crushes them. It will be neck to neck competition, but still Google will be the one they all will fear. Right now, I think in coding, everyone fears Claude. Compared to back, like 1 year back, it was OpenAI. Everyone used to fear OpenAI is the best model. Then Claude came on the top. And similarly, like Google will come on top. But others will still be there. Like GPT is not irrelevant. Still, Claude works best in reasoning, but GPT has its own power. So this is Varun's. I really love this, man. This is crazy. This is so good. Wow. membership privilege, a free super chat, lol. Yeah, you got a free super chat. Thank you, Happy Life. Thank you for being the member. Good evening, Kashyap. How are you doing? It has your memory. Try saying like, make an image of me based on what you know about me. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Make a image of me based on what you know about me. It should be an inspirational image and in a theme which you think suits best for me. You know, guys, what? Today I was doing a journaling session with ChatGPT, and ChatGPT gave me a book recommendation. He said you should read Carl Jung. So I have never read Carl Jung, and he said you should definitely read Carl Jung because based on what we talk about, it seems like you will really connect with this author. And I immediately downloaded on my Kindle. The book name is, I think, Memories, Dreams, and something like that. What's the Memories, Dreams, and Reflections? This one by Carl Jung. So I'm starting to read this now, and let's see. The initial like 5-10 pages I was reading, I'm already feeling like, yes, this book was made for me. So this is the comic strip of our life. Isra, look, Div's doing a live YouTube video. Wow, Div is so famous. Yeah, I've had million are watching. There's only 7 people watching. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so true. I'm posting this on our memes. Man, this is that AGI moment. How does he know? What the fuck? Guys, I mean, is there a delay? I need a reaction here. I need a reaction. I just shared the link. This is awesome. Give me any of your beach image and give this prompt, please. Make this an Attack on Titan style where the Titans are coming from ocean for rumbling. That's a good one. Isra, let's keep. I'll keep that one. But let's see what's your reaction, guys. That's so true. I love that fact that only gave beer to me and you. Who's that girl? Wow, Div is famous. This image made my day, guys. Like, oh man, this was okay. Let's see. Let's make another episode on this comic. Div is sad now. And what happens next? Yeah, we'll do this. What is happening? Make an image of me based. What? This is me? What is this? But to be honest, I like this theme. So he knows, like, I like these kind of images. It's very insightful, man. Wow, ChatGPT thinks I'm some like wise wisdom person. But I told him like inspirational image. Okay, maybe that's why he's picking this theme. Not super impressed. Guys, I'm cutting some dragons today. Wow, this could be my thumbnail for tomorrow. This is crazy, isn't it? And what happened here? I couldn't generate the request image because it includes character like Iron Man and Batman. Oh, so Shubham, it can't. It did generate, but now it's, I think it removed them because of the copyright issues. Now I can make comics or manga easily. Yeah, I mean, with this, creating these comics is crazy. I think Israr shared some quotes. Okay, Israr, let me find one image of me sitting on the beach and I'll send it. I'll send it. Me sitting on the beach. Is there an image of me sitting on the beach? There should be. Okay. This one. So it's a video, but I'm taking a screenshot of it. Done. Maybe send it to Mac Studio. Yeah, let's see what happened to our next comic episode. Okay. No one cares about my video. Oh no, Div looks really sad. Hi Div, great video Div. Thanks guys. Israr, hi Div, great video Div. Keep it up. This is guys, this is a new comic I'm starting now. Div's sad YouTube channel. This is You're the rocket fuel. Keep rocking. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much, man. It means a lot, guys. Thank you. Thank you for being the member. Okay, so I have the beach image now, and let's give that one. I'll give it here on this one. Okay. And what did you say? Make this. Okay, make this image as. Let's see what it does with this one. Put my prompt in a new chat. Okay, that's so true. I love that. What's happening? Just put a steel man and wet man. This doesn't work on the free version. This currently I think is not rolled out to everyone, so it's not working. But yeah, I'm having so much fun. What should be the next comic? Like, do you guys want to chip in here to keep? Because I'm loving this new comic strip. So this is Star. And this is, I think, Shubham. This is Varun. Now the girl is gone. I don't know who she was. Maybe she was Rashmika Mandana. This doesn't work on the... Okay, what? That's so true. Why did you lose your beard now? This is because now you guys are, now we are in the current way where we don't have 7. Now we have 13 people watching. Blinky. Maybe GPT is also watching your streams. Guys, this is so scary as well. How does it know? ChatGPT is Apple. Yeah, it can hear us. Shubham, continue. I added the link to the ChatGPT memory bank. Awesome, Blinken. I'll check it out. Continue. Next episode. Let's increase the stakes on the story. Okay, we'll wait for that. Meanwhile, the thing of Attack on Titans, this is coming on this one. So let's see what happens to this. AI drone swarms a futuristic city repairing skyscraper, liquid steel. This one, let's see. This one is also looking interesting. Okay, so here. So which theme do you want it in? Like anime theme? I'm thinking of like realistic. I'll say make an image in realistic theme with so while next comic is being created. Oh man, Israr, your prompt was crazy. Guys, this is Attack on Titans. So my mind is currently, going crazy that I want to make an app. I really want to make an app where because I can play with this whole day. I can do crazy things with this. Like you click a picture and just transform it into whatever you can think of. And the outputs are such... I mean, every person can have their own, comic now. Like your own personal comic you can create and share about that. I don't think I'll be able to sleep today. So here the swarm thing is happening. This is stopped. Anything else you want to check now? I think the next comic strip should be Div vibe coding. Okay, yeah, let's do that. Happy life is now sad life. GPT just forgot about the OG member. Oh shit, yeah, Happy Life, you gave some... oh shit, I'm really sorry, Happy Life. I think I missed it somewhere. Happy Life gave 1 prompt. I'm really sorry, Happy Life. So Happy Life, you can get 2 more. Make an anime version of yourself. I took this one. Happy Life, I did this. This is your prompt, right? Yes, I remembered you. Anything else you said which I missed? Please continue. I love this comic. You watch Suits. I am watching it for third time. This is crazy. Exactly. But you need to wait for a few weeks, bro. I mean, is this API not ready? Even if it is not, I am ready to like start building the app. So once the APIs are out, we can just plug it in. I am so bullish on an app which can do a better UX compared to all the bloatwares we can find right now. Okay, so here I'm like holding hands now, asking you to subscribe my channel, guys. I'm also like, please subscribe my channel. I think you already are subscribed, and they all are looking at each other. Okay, I'll do it. Phew, tang. I don't know which language I'm speaking here. Subscribe. Okay, what happens next? Let's increase the story now. It's looking boring. Make it interesting. So here, okay, so this is Varun's idea. This is a crazy image. But who is this person? Is this Varun? Happy Life joins the stream and continue the comic. Happy Life joins the stream and continue the comic. Okay, I meant the comic strip. Oh shit. Did we forget Happy Life? But I asked him to add Happy Life. I think, yeah, here. But I think he just thought Happy Life. Or I'll say Abhinav. Your name is Abhinav, right? Okay, so it's not listening. Let's introduce. Okay, let's introduce a new member called Abhinav in the comic. He becomes member of the YouTube channel, and Div is super happy. Let's see. Guys, give me more prompt. I'm liking it. Give me more prompt. Damn, the girl and the boy swap their teas. Continue Comic-Con prompt. Div finished the stream, went out, and the meets his subscriber who are crazy. Also, Samrat is missing. Ayo, add me too. Okay, yes. One by one, we'll add everyone. Let's first add Happy Life, then Samrat, then anybody else who is remaining. I think we can add all 13 of you. Compare Grok versus ChatGPT. Oh, you mean image gen, right? Yes, that's a good idea. Let me see if there is something here. Let's see Grok's image gen. Okay, so here is Grok. We'll put it here. So we'll ask the same thing. I don't think Grok is good at text. So the new one. So this one is done. And I think, yeah, anything else which we want to. On same prompt, have a steel man talking to a woman. Steel man? What? So this one we can try on Grok again. So yeah, this is what happens with Grok. Worse. The worst. Let's say this one. Grok has no chance here. Add funny in every prompt. So this is the new one. Now we have Abhinav. It's Abhinav. Oh wow, thank you, Abhinav, new member. Awesome. So now who? Now we have Samrat joining the stream as a viewer. Make this strip funny. Add me also. Harshit is here. Hey Harshit, we'll add you too now. Next is Harshit. What else? Add funny. Okay, yeah, we'll add funny. Blinking code is missing. Yes, we'll add blinking codes from America. Yes, Blinken. I'll add you now. Varun is saying, use your image. You stand in a cyberpunk lab guiding nanobots. Interesting. I like this one. Let's see. Which image? Where is my image? Guys, isn't this fun? Like, I wish I would have this app. Okay, this one. Make an image where the person in the loaded image stand in a cyberpunk lab guiding AI nanobots. Spark. Yeah, let's see this. What happened to this one? So this is Grok. Not even close to quality compared to GPT. So I mean, it's a time waste to check on Grok. So Grok is not even comparable at this point. So Samrat is coming here. Now add a text like in comic where the person is saying something by looking at those giants. Let's continue this story as well. This is crazy, man. I'm not sleeping today, to be honest. Like I'm playing with it whole night, maybe till like 1 or 2 a.m. And if the urge is too high, I'm pretty sure I'll start a new project, which will never see the day of the light of the day. But yeah, it will be there. I'm so excited with this. Yeah, next is Harshit on the line and Blinken. Half Divyanshu and half Venom. No, I don't want to see myself as Venom. I'm a good guy. How much you earn per month? Crick Blaster. I don't earn anything right now. I waste some money though. Yeah, on the serious note, Crick Blaster, I quit my job. So currently I'm only earning passive income from my projects. Can't share the exact number now. Maybe I'll write a blog post one day when I feel like it. Hey, Samrat has joined the stream. Say something funny, Samrat. Oh no. Samrat knew your Israr. Oh, Samrat is like shy. But why Samrat and me looking exactly same? Now I understood. So the funny part is everyone is saying something funny. Say something funny to Samrat and Samrat is like, oh no, New Year, Samrat. So now, okay, now we have a new subscriber who joined from America, Texas to our live stream. Make this interaction funny too, as he is joining from across the world to an Indian YouTube live. Let's see. Divyanshu teaching coding to students on Blackboard. Ghibli is still best out of all. Yeah, Ghibli was the best. I mean, I think because we have our own personal preferences with Ghibli, we have been like watching them for so long. But I like this comic strip thing because the ideas which I have in my mind now, you can create your own comics. I mean, right now we are asking AI to create the whole story, which AI is not that good at. So if someone who is very creative and who sits and think of a good storyline, I mean, you can create such amazing stories and comics and just start a Instagram channel or a Twitter channel. You don't need a designer. You just publish very small informative nuggets in this comic strip form. So for example, any new information, like right out of my mind, I can think of like a Twitter channel where you make these kind of infographics or these comic strip images, which shares all the latest news which is happening. So I follow him. He just shares these funny comic strips and that gives me all the information I need, what happened in the world of AI, rather than reading everything. Yeah, do it. We'll wait for that blog. Perfect. Also share some tips about passive income. Some tips, I mean, like just keep building your projects. Let's see, and do good at distribution and marketing. I mean, right now that's the biggest moat in the world of software. But why is it adding a random girl in the comic strip? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe ChatGPT knows something which we don't know. Shubham, exactly. We don't even know. George just joined from America. Wow, all the way from America. What? No local streams. Who is George? I said Blinking. Oh, I didn't name. Shit. The name of the guy who joined from America is Blinken Codes. He joined with funny moment. Blinken, yeah, apparently that's not my name. Yeah, we are making another one. So any other thing which we have missed here? Okay, so what is this? No, we don't like this. Oh wow, we have 19 people. Guys, welcome. I'm taking requests on what kind of images you want to generate with OpenAI. We are doing some crazy things here. I love this image, to be honest. I want to play with it a little bit more. Maybe I'll make a poster out of it, and I'm going to have like a couple of posters in my room very soon, like big boards with these crazy posters, crazy style images with text on them. What happened to that image which I asked it to do? So let's see another one. Let's say we have more images. Yeah, let's do this one as Ghibli. Make this as Ghibli style, but in the ancient Indian era. I have written Jobly. I don't know if it will understand. It's like the product you want to make. We are waiting for free users too. I'm here, so yeah, you can expect viewers. Oh yeah, Israr is here. Blinken Codes just joined from America. How? We all are surprised. How? The best part is all of you guys are sitting in the same room. Israr, Shubham and Varun. Ha, we all are laughing. Blinken Codes joined. Yes, now we have Blinken Codes. We still don't have Blinken Codes as in the frame. But now Harshit. Joined the stream as well. Make some dramatic story here when he joined. Guys, any other ideas which you want to play here with these images? This is okay. This is being created. What else we have? So you know, this guy has created this with Rev. So I want this kind of posters. So let's see if we can create it. Copy image, and I will give it to GPT on maybe a new request. Make an image like this poster, but the quote should be I'm getting the quote. Wow. Should be. This is such a powerful quote. Amazing. So this is, and then I realized that to grow, I had to stop watering the versions of me that were only meant to survive. Crazy. Who wrote this? Thimon Tarot. Crazy. Yeah, I'm printing this if the results are crazy. Guys, this is my next thumbnail. My astrology channel. You guys should join it. This is crazy. Harshit just joined. Oh no, gasp. What happened? Why everyone is gasping? What happens? A futuristic neon-lit cityscape at night with towering skyscraper covered in glowing advertisement flying zips. Okay, let's do this. Blinken. Blinken's command. Make an image of let's see. So I asked it why everyone is gasping and what happens. He's saying option 1, Harshit is the legendary troll. Option 2, Harshit is Div's ex co-founder. Harshit is super rich now. What? Yeah, I like this option 3. Okay, let's make comic with option 3. Harshit, I think you do this. You drop some $100 texts. Can you plan comic book for members? Joke apart. I should. I think, guys, this is you're giving me some crazy ideas now. I'm thinking, what if we make a product or a service which we sell to like YouTubers to share some like curated, personalized content, which will not take them much time, but they will have more context about their user base, right? For example, I can start this comic. I don't know. I'm not sleeping today. I'm just going into this idea-thon where I'll be coming up with these crazy ideas. Relationship advice by astrology. You should meet Shivanshu. He's lot into this thing. Option 1 for sure. No, Harshit is not troll at all. I just asked ChatGPT to create a prompt to put into ChatGPT. It's like Inception. We all have done that. Okay, what happened to this image? So Blinken codes, here is your image. The futuristic neon city. Wasn't able to generate the image right now due to a technical issue. This is happening a lot. Can you try again? I trust you. You will do it this time. You know, I'm not kidding. I have had like, I think 2 or 3 moments in past 1 week where I thought I'm really talking to a real person, because I was talking about something else apart from my project, about like the sprint which I was planning, the goals which I had. So I was just doing a general chat with ChatGPT on messaging, and the kind of replies I was getting, and I was thought, man, this is a real person I'm talking to, because you know the replies were so personalized. It picks up on your memory, some long previous chats you have done with it, some other context, and then it talks about them in a scenario where you're talking about completely something else, and you're not even thinking about that, and then it just makes me, you know, feel like I'm talking to a real person. And that happened like 2-3 times this last week. Retry. I think ChatGPT is down. Harshit joined. Harshit, $100. Here's some pocket change, Dave. Whoa, unbelievable. Harshit's entry was the banger here. Yes, Harshit, that's what I remember. But how does this know, man? Count me in for a comic book character. Hey, Amit. Welcome. Yeah, so we are starting a comic book. Only for members comic book. We all will have the members will be the character in the comic book. Again, I'm just saying this out loud here, and then my mind is going into this overthinking ideation mode where it's thinking how that app will look like, how the whole process will look like. So yeah, after this stream, I'm sitting for at least 45 minutes to, ideate on this. I shared one prompt in Discord. Use Photor AI once. Shubham, Photor, I mean, I'll have to make an account and all, right? This one, online photo editor for everyone? Nah. Not even close by looking at the landing page. So this is another prompt which Varun has shared. Let's see. Make a realistic image of So this is what Blinken Codes asked. I like this image. It's just that it doesn't feel, a lot dynamic. It feels flat to me. So not the best image for now. Maybe we need to update this prompt a bit. So here, I think he has given up on me on this chat. He has given up. Did we miss anyone here? Amit is missing, right? Okay, now we have Amit, new character in the comic. We want a dynamic entry for this character. Give me some options. So I'm liking that option thing. It's giving you, okay, what do you want? And then we can pick whatever we like. Bro, once I will send you link and you will have to make an account, but it's really good. Just try it once. Sure, maybe tomorrow I'll do it because we only have a 1 minute remaining and I don't want to go into that whole flow of making a new account and everything. Maybe we can try tomorrow for sure. The screen glitches mid-stream and Div shouts, wait, who hacked the stream? Cut to Amit in sunglasses typing, hello mortals. Everyone gasps. This is cool. I think Amit works on backend. And this seems like the right way of Amit's entry. Super chat, movie star style, the mysterious mentor. I wish someone could fix this. Okay, so I like the option one. Okay, make his entry with option 1. This is being created. This is Varun's. Okay, Blinken Coat has given another one as well. Happy life, Sia. Once check Shift App AI. Okay, happy life. Bye-bye. See ya. Wow. Crazy. This is crazy. I like it. So, make an image. Sorry. Make an image of okay, this is being created. Meanwhile, this is here. I'm sad that it couldn't create this image. I don't know why. I'll try again. I'll not give up on this. Wait. Let's see. Hey Shuanshu, you're a bit late. You want to see what we did here? So I asked GPT to create a comic strip for my stream and I didn't say anything, and this is the first comic strip it created. Just check this out. I bet millions are watching. There's only 7 people watching. So this is like GPT started trolling my streams. And then we are making a whole comic strip game out of it. So this is Blinken Code's text and this is my image. Varun said check Shift Tap AI. What is Shift Tap AI? Select double shift enter. Oh, is it like a coding thing? Cool, we'll check it out. Shubham, okay, but just check like it's a credit system with better image gen. Okay, Shubham, okay, I'll check it out after this stream, and if I find it very interesting, maybe I'll show it tomorrow in our streams. Hint, that deserves to be your new PFP. Is it that good? You mean this one? It doesn't match my personality though, to be honest, like this crazy fearful guy. I like it, but yeah. I'll make one like matching my theme myself. Divyanshu, Shift to PI will solve one of your problem. You mentioned ChatGPT like I have for multi-models. Oh, really? Interesting, Varun. Thank you for sharing, man. Thank you. Okay, interesting. What's the pricing? I think there is no pricing. We'll check it out. But yeah, this is one of the things which I definitely want. Wow, this poster is coming alive. Why? What am I doing here? I'm the only person in that image who is pointing to the crazy ships going up. Everyone is like, what happened to this dude? I'm looking, man. Shivam, that photo which you opened is the parent thing. Okay. Shivam, AI image gen is most famous. Yeah, actually, it just look good on PFP. Cool. So this is, wait, who hacked the stream? Gasp. Israr, Shubham, Varun. Happy Life is also there. Hello mortals. And then there is Amit. Wow. Interesting. So guys, I think we are out of time now and I'll be joining you tomorrow. But yeah, in the ending, I just want to check out my poster, which is again, I don't know why it's taking so long. Just get done. It will look good. Send that code poster to the Discord. Yes, I will send this. Once it's done, I'll send it on Discord. Another prompt in Discord. Okay, Varun, I'll check it out. But yeah, maybe I'll leave now. I'll come tomorrow. We can do a little bit of more of such things. It seems like you had time traveled. Yeah. I'm the only mortal remaining in those times, in this image. Here. I'm the only human. Everyone is a cyborg now. I don't have a beard. Did it added your beard? Who is... Okay, Shubham. Okay, maybe it makes Israr with you. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for joining today's stream. It was very fun. I mean, like, I am not sleeping today. I will be here for like next 2-3 hours. I'm just ideating over the next thing which I want to build with this image gen, because I can't leave it empty like this. Like, this needs to go into the hand of people, but with a better UX, that they can do crazy things with it. So yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow. And yeah, have a good day. Bye-bye.